What are you doing over there? You can tell Stewie's been sitting here for a very long time. Got spider webs growing all over him. Try to move. Yeah, pumpkin. Yeah, let's pull the cover off. There we go.
Daddy's car!
It's Daddy's car. When's the last time you seen this car? It's been a long time, huh?
It's Daddy's car!
Whoops, sorry.
You did it.
Yeah, Daddy didn't mean to do that. Hey, who's on Daddy's back? Oh. Whoa.
It's Daddy's car. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll see if it starts. Yeah, it's been sitting forever. Sitting for a good, what, year or so? It's August, or no, it's September now. It's September 10th. And the last time I had this thing running was last year, around September, so yeah. Hold on, let Daddy. How the hell did this go?
I go in here.
We're going to. We have to see if we can get Stewie started first, okay?
Okay.
So. Oh crap, I think I forgot the part for the battery. We'll see. Oh my gosh. Well, it looks like that. Oh, I did leave it in here good. Tighten this down. Okay, let's should we see if it starts? It might not start. You want to go in?
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Something crawling around over there.
It's awesome.
It's awesome?
Yeah. Wow. It's awesome.
Let's see. I did see something crawling around in here. Where is it? Forget where the key goes. It's been so long. Mm-hmm. Sure, it's neutral. Give us some gas. Okay, let's see. Ooh. It started. Okay. And let off the clutch here. I'm going to shut the hood and then we'll pull it out. Hold on. Whoa. The hood moved by itself. Oh, this car always gives me the creeps, honestly. Ah, what is she doing? Whew, this thing awoke from the dead. Sounds like they're dead. Alright, let's
go.
Yeah, let's go. Looks like there was a rodent problem. That should be first. Here we go.
Go, Daddy.
Let's drive it.
What's that, Mommy?
Is that Mommy? We're gonna go park it on the street. Yep. There's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Mm-hmm. We're gonna put Stewie right here. Wow. You know, this thing runs really good. Okay, want to come out? Okay, let's get out. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's leave Stewie run a little bit. Jesus Christ, this thing. Size of that. It's a nest. Well, I'm going to shut it off for now and then we'll drive it a little bit later, okay, sweetie? Hey, your walking stick? Now let's take a closer look here since I got it out in the daylight. And she is a lot rougher than I remembered it. She is dirty as can be. Yeah, my daughter thinks I'm going to be driving it. No, not yet. Daddy's not going anywhere. Daddy's just looking at it. Oh, you have to eat your rice. Eat your rice, baby.
I'll make a ball.
Yeah, look at all the spider webs all over it.
What is it?
Mm-hmm.
They hold a bowl.
Okay, Daddy, hold the bowl for you.
Make the ball.
Yeah, I got the bowl. I got the bowl for you.
Daddy, got the ball.
You just going to eat that giant pile of rice?
Mm-hmm.
You just want to carry it in your hand? You don't want to carry it in the bowl?
I'll carry this one.
I got a rat's nest in there. Gonna have to vacuum that out.
Daddy, hold this one.
Okay.
I'll make the ball.
You make a ball?
Yeah.
Yum, 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 yum.
Daddy, let's go up there.
Yeah, leaving it in that shed didn't do it much favors. I suppose it's better than leaving it out in the rain. Okay. That's a giant spider sack, egg sack. It's supposed to be stainless steel, but looks like it's not because I'm getting rust. Oh, are you gonna look too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, spider web. There's lots of spider webs. This thing.
Daddy, hold this one. Make a box. Yeah. You hold this one.
Well,
It's easy.
yeah. You gonna take this back up?
Mhm.
Want to bring it back up to mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
It's just amazing, like, even when you cover up a car and let it sit, just all the crap that accumulates on it. Yeah, it's a lot worse than I remembered it. Well, neighbors got the lawnmower going, so I guess that's that. But I just thought I'd make this quick little update video. Well, kind of an update video, I guess. You guys were wondering what happened to Evil Stew. Well, I still have it. And it's just been stored away for a while. Still runs and dries, obviously. But yeah, there you go. Evil Stew.